joining me today. As promised, I'm here to do a review for you guys on the True Self Organics Detoxifying Clay Mask. I mentioned to you guys in my last favorites video that I am obsessed with this, and there are so many different reasons that I'm going to get into for a second, but overall, I've been trying so many masks out these last couple months. You guys already know that if you follow my videos, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, you guys know that I am obsessed with masks. I just think that it is such an essential part of your skin routine, which I think is very new to me. I really wasn't a mask girl before. I didn't really understand the point of it, but now that I have been using it, I'm obsessed. Like over the days, over the months, over the years, we're putting so much stuff on our skin, and we use different products on a daily basis, like cleansers and toners and whatever, to remove gunk and stuff like that. But a mask is like a super intense treatment in just 15 or 20 minutes to help get rid of all these things to make your skin feel good again, because we're all putting so much stuff on our skin all the time. So it's basically an instant gratification product, because you feel great after you use it. You see a difference in your skin and you feel that way for the next couple of days. So before a big event, once a week, whatever, I think it's a great pampering session, and you get that sort of instant result that you don't get from just like washing your face and, you know, putting on a toner at night. Like with this, you get instant results. So this is a clay mask. There are many different types of clay in here. There's calcium bentonite clay, kaolin clay, rose kaolin clay, etc., etc. So it's a very, very strong clay treatment. That being said, I think that it is definitely best for oily combo skin, because it does make your skin feel very dry, just like most clay masks do. And it tells you on here that you can use this for wrinkles, blemishes, acne, detoxifying, pore minimizing, etc., etc. So the way that this works is that it is a powder mask. As you guys can see, it is a light green powder mask that you are supposed to mix with either water or apple cider vinegar, which is in here as well. I have the detox kit, but all these things can be bought separately too. So there are two different ways to do that, either with water or with this apple cider vinegar. And they give you this cute little measure system here to measure out how much ever you want. So I find that this second measure, like the second size, is the best one for me. This is the one that says 5. It looks like it would probably be a teaspoon. I use this and exactly 1 teaspoon of water. With that combo, I get a pretty thick mask, and that has worked like wonders for me. If you want it to be thinner, then I would go in with like 1/4 more water with this and sort of make it a little bit thinner. That's completely up to personal preference. So what I really like about this is that every single time you mix this up for yourself, in this little cup that it comes with, you're getting a fresh batch made, which feels really, really good. Like it's not, there's no way to really make this unsanitary, because you've been given these little guys. You're putting it into this bowl, so you're literally getting the freshest type of mask for yourself that you can possibly get. You're not like dipping your finger into a mask, applying it, dipping some more, you know what I mean? So it's really, really, really nice and clean. You also get this little spatula here to mix everything together in this little bowl for you. So I've used this with apple cider vinegar as well as the water. And I will say, both ways, it's a pretty intense mask. The reason I felt that way is because with both, like the very first time I used it with apple cider vinegar, and within 5 to 7 minutes my skin felt like it was being sucked. Like it was super, super tight, which I was getting a little scared, but I was like, whatever, my skin's not that reactive, it's fine. And so when I took it off, like my skin looked so much softer. It felt like a facelift, which sounds crazy. I just felt like everything just went like boom. And it looked 100 times clearer. The biggest thing though, which I was really shocked about because I didn't think this was possible, is that my pores pretty much disappeared. Which, I have gigantic pores all on my nose and around here, so if I don't wear foundation, my pores are hideous. And I've never been able to find a product that like helps with that, because I didn't think pores could actually minimize. But this is obviously minimizing, means that it is looking smaller, it's not disappearing. And with this mask, they virtually just disappeared. So that was huge for me. Like I thought that was gigantic. I don't know about blemishes, because I think I have to use it for like many, many, many months to be able to see a huge result with that. But with acne, I definitely have been breaking out a lot recently, and this has helped to sort of calm that inflammation down. And it's detoxifying, so of course it was to help pull everything out and get rid of it, which is huge for me, which is also kind of what I think it did with my blackheads, because I also get blackheads down here, like under my nose, and all of those were gone after using this mask. So that's huge for me. However, after using this a few times, I felt like my skin had a reaction to this and it did not work as well. This is pretty strong if you're putting vinegar in your face. Like you guys know, that has to be pretty strong. And I talked to the owner, Amanda, and she was like, yeah, some people, you know, don't really like this. Some people use water. It just depends on what your skin can handle. So I would definitely try both. The very first time I used this, no reaction. But I guess I used it again too soon. And maybe that's what happened. I left about 5 days before using this the second time with the vinegar. And that's kind of what happened. So I got like little bumps like all over, which I'm still kind of like recovering from. But just the water method worked wonders for me. Even with water, though, I will say it's still a very strong mask. You still feel like it's an intense treatment because you literally cannot move your mouth. You can't speak, you can't do any of that kind of stuff. So it makes it a bit uncomfortable to wear, but the results are amazing, I have to say. So again, at the 7-minute mark, I just felt like my skin was getting like super tight. It says you can wear it from 10 to 30 minutes. The longest I've ever worn it for is 20 minutes, but I really like 15 minutes. I feel like that just works really well for me. The best way to remove it, I felt, was I took water in my hand, kind of did this and dabbed it to kind of loosen it. As once I started to feel like it was nice and loose, then I kind of washed it off, because once it gets so tight and so dry, just you put a splash of water and doing this, it ended up being pretty abrasive, so don't do that. So that's how I liked it. My biggest thing is pore minimizing, and it made my face feel like baby soft. I cannot explain how soft it was. It felt like a baby's bottom. Like literally, I have never felt my skin feeling that soft in my life before. All texture was gone, which I have pretty textured skin, so it was completely gone, which made for the most flawless makeup application possible. And I did this mask, I think the day before I had an event, 2 weeks ago, with the water method as opposed to the vinegar, and I felt like, oh, I did it at night, and I was like, I wonder if I'm still gonna feel that way the next day. And the next day too, I looked amazing. Like, it just looked so good. So when I use a lot of highlight products and products that normally like maximize your pores and really bring it to the forefront, it didn't do that at all because I had no pores to worry about. Like, obviously I still have pores, but it didn't look large at all. So I was able to use those like glittery products, more satin finish products I usually stay away from, because it looked that good. So even in my pictures, my skin just looked completely even toned, and that is huge for me. So, or even textured, I should say. So for me, I am obsessed with this. I cannot say enough good things about it. If you guys have textured skin, if you have gigantic pores and blackheads, this is totally the mask for you. Don't freak out when you feel it tightening. It's not doing anything wrong, but definitely try this to see if that works for you. Even if it does work, give it a break for a couple of weeks before going back to this method again. You can use the water method in between. So I use this mask about every 5 days, and I am loving the results. I really feel like 100 times better after having used this. So I definitely wanted to tell you guys about this. I've been seeing a lot of people review it. So the second I got my hands on it, I was like, yes, I can't wait, because I'm really enjoying face masks right now. So I have a link and a coupon code down below that is 10% off for you guys if you guys are interested. You don't have to buy the whole kit. You can buy the mask separately, and you can also buy this separately if you wanted it later on. But be sure to check this mask out. I will link everything down below, and I have a blog post up with a quick little snippet review for all this kind of stuff for you guys too, if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.